What kind of cheeks does the child have in the rhyme? Chubby, thin, long?
Correct. Please proceed to the next question.
What colour are the lips in the poem? Blue, rosy, yellow?
Correct. Please proceed to the next question.
Thank you. Play again.
Head, eye, ear, arm, hand, leg, eyebrow, nose, lip, mouth, tongue, foot,
Today, we are going to learn something really exciting about our body parts. That's my head. I have two little eyes. How many eyes? Two. I have two little ears. I can hear all the sound with my ears. What's that smell? Oh, that's my nose. I can smell with my nose. I have fun mouth. Oh, those are my arms. I can wave with them. Oh, those are my hands. Two hands. Those are my fingers. 10 little fingers. Those are my legs. Two legs to walk. Yes, that's my stomach. So I have one head, one stomach, two little eyes, one mouth, one nose, two hands, two legs, and 10 little fingers.
Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. So children, today teacher is back with a new topic, and the topic is our body. Our body. Come on, say with me. Our body. Very good, children. Now, children, how do we take care of our body? Do you know? Our body is God's gift. So, we should take lots of care. We should eat good food, healthy food. We should do a lot of exercise and listen to mama and daddy. That's very important. Okay, children. So, do you know our body has different parts? Different body parts. Okay? So, we are going to learn about them one by one. So, let's start. The first body part is our eyes. Children, how many eyes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we have 2 eyes. Come on, everybody, count. 1, 2. Count. 1, 2. How many eyes do we have? 2 eyes. Our eyes help us to see. Our eyes
Letter I. LCE cube. Iron. Island. Ink. Icicle. Insects. Iguana. Igloo.
Next is the letter I. I.
I is for iguana. Iguana.
I is for island. An island is land surrounded by water. My friends are making a sandcastle on the beach. Wait, what is this? It's an ice cream truck. Ice cream starts with I. Who wants honey ice cream? Growl, I do, I do. Bear took the honey ice cream. Who would like strawberry ice cream? Oink, oink, I do, I do. Pig took the strawberry ice cream. Who would like the rainbow ice cream? I do, I do. I want the rainbow ice cream.
Good morning and welcome class. I didn't hear your good morning.
Even I didn't hear your good morning.
Can you say it louder for me?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, thank you for your good morning wishes. It makes our day very happy. Yes?
Yes.
It makes our day very happy. Now, what are we going to do today? Are you crisscross? Are you crisscross? Eyes on me, eyes on me. Let's learn new things, let's learn new things. Happily, 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 happily. But children, do you know someone is missing today? Oh, here he comes, Mr. Clown. Oh, sorry children, I'm late for the class today. But can you tell me, what are we learning? Did I miss something? No, Mr. Clown.
No, you didn't miss anything. Now we are going to start with the class.
God. Oh, I thought I missed the fun in the class. Let's start. I'm ready for it.
Okay, now what are we going to learn today? Every time you see the teacher is making something or other related with ice cream.
Senses eyes, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelid, I see the beautiful world with my eyes. Complete the picture of eyes.
Now we are going to learn about the sense of organ. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have 5 sense of organ. The first one is sense of sight. That is eyes. We have two eyes. How many eyes do we have? It's 2. Yes, it's 2. We can see the beautiful world with our eyes.
Good morning, children. Children, today before we start the topic, I want you to answer few questions. Okay, I'm going to show you few colors. I want you to tell me which are those colors. The first color is, which color is this? Blue. Which color is this? Blue. Now the next color. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Which color is this? Red. Can you see on the screen? Yes, it is red. Now the next color is green. Very good, children. Now the last color. Let's see. Which color is this? It is yellow.
What do we use our eyes for? To smell things? To hear sounds? To see the world?
Correct. Please proceed to the next question.
How many eyes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Correct. Please proceed to the next question.
Thank you. Play again.
Big and small. Big. Small. Big and small. Big.